Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to report someone on X, the platform once known as Twitter. Whether you've encountered spam, harassment, or any type of inappropriate activity, X gives you tools to report it quickly and safely. Let's get started step by step. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access the reporting options. Once you're in, navigate to the profile of the person you want to report. This can be done by searching their username, finding them in your messages, or tapping their name from a post or reply. Next, look at the top right corner of that user's profile. You'll see three small dots that open a menu with several choices. Tap on those three dots. From the list that appears, select the option labeled Report. This is where X asks you to explain the reason for your report. Now, choose the reason that best describes what's happening. You might see options such as it's suspicious or spam, it's abusive or harmful, or something else. Pick the most accurate one, then tap next to move forward. After that, X may ask a few follow-up questions to understand the situation better. Just select the answers that fit what occurred. When you've made your selections, tap Submit. This sends your report directly to X's moderation team for review. They'll evaluate the account and take necessary action based on their rules and policies. Once you've submitted your report, you'll see a confirmation message on your screen. Finally, tap Done to finish the process. That's it, your report has been successfully filed. X will handle the rest from there, and you might receive updates if additional information is needed. So that's how to report someone on X. Following these steps keeps your experience safer and helps maintain respectful interactions on the platform. Thanks for watching.